This 2025 Forest River Cardinal 402 beds is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Bradenton, FL 34208 and is offered for sale by Gerzeny's RV World of Bradenton. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.